Welcome in, folks. Peter Rashan here, and I am joined by the president of Cortez Wealth Management from Tampa, Florida, Carlos Cortez, and he is the founder of Cortez Wealth Management, helping people achieve their financial and retirement goals. And one of the things that has a lot of confusion, it's kind of a buzzword in the financial industry right now, is annuity. There are many different types. They're pretty complex. A lot of times they come with higher fees, some more than others. Carlos, you have helped your clients analyze, review, and assess their annuities or annuities that they are contemplating purchasing. And you do this on a complimentary basis for folks. Can you tell me some of the things that you help your clients uncover or understand about annuities?
Absolutely. Great question. First and foremost, for those clients that have actual variable annuities, a lot of those products can have some false guarantees. Recently, there has been some letters that have been going out to clients, big insurance companies sending out letters to clients, basically pulling back those guarantees that they waited for. Forbes and Investment News just came out with an article a few years ago stating those type of provisions. And quite frankly, I would say about 2/3 of the clients I've been sitting down with on the variable annuity side of the annuities have been getting those letters saying their income withdrawal benefits have been canceled. Their long-term care benefits have been canceled. So it's very, very important to understand that some of the guarantees on the variable annuity side are not what they seem. In addition to those variable annuities, on average, I speak on average, not all of them, but on average, there's about 3.65% in total annual fees to the client. So what that means is if you have $100,000 in a variable annuity, for an example, you're being charged $3,650 a year, and your principal is not protected.
Wow, that seems like an awful lot. I mean, the industry kind of gets a little bit into trouble when you talk about 2%, but 3% and over 3% fees. That seems like it's a little higher than the average investor is willing to take. Are they aware that they're paying these fees?
Well, not till they come to my office and sit down and we show them. And that's the average. I've seen fees as high as 5.5% to 6% with major big name companies that advertise in today's world.
And that's on a $100,000 annuity. But if you extrapolate that out, I mean, there are people with $500,000, $1 million annuities. If they're paying 3 or 5% fees, that could be more in fees than some of these folks made in a year.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, if you have $1 million bucks out there in a variable annuity, it's very common for them to pay anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000 in fees and still have no protection in their account value.
So again, you're helping people recognize this, identify it, and then if there are options to help them to address and reduce those fees?
Right. And we basically classify annuities in two simple categories, safe and risk. They are safe, contractually guaranteed. When I mean by safe, I mean contractually guaranteed. You have a contract stating that your principal is protected. The insurance company assumes the risk. See, in a variable annuity, the client assumes all the risk. So that's why they have those prospectuses, 300 to 500 page prospectuses. But in a safe, contractually guaranteed annuity, like some common ones are a SPIA, single premium immediate annuity, a fixed annuity that mirrors CD rates, great for principal protection, and also an EIA or FIA, fixed index annuity, all semantics. Those particular contracts generally have 50 to 95% lower cost and fees and are safe to the client. When I mean safe, I mean contracted, guaranteed safe, and your account value will never, ever go down despite what the market does.
Well, I think in this volatile economic world, a lot of people are looking for that safety. So you'll help them address their fees, help them know more accurately what their protections, what their guarantees are.
Absolutely.
And you will address the type of investment vehicle or savings vehicle this truly is, whether they have risk or safety inside of their annuity.
Absolutely.
Well, folks, if you would like to sit down with Carlos Cortez, president, founder of Cortez Wealth Management, they are an independent fiduciary, so they represent your best interest, and they have access to just about everything in the financial world. If you would like them to help you review and assess your investments, particularly those annuities that can be so confusing, pick up the phone and give them a call. The number to dial is 800-921-7897. Again, that's 800-921-7897, and you can talk to Carlos and the team. Come in for a complimentary review and evaluation. You're under no obligation, but Carlos will help you identify the different aspects of your annuity, tell you really what you have, help you address how much you are paying in fees, and if there are better instruments out there, show you how you might be able to take advantage of those so that you have more benefit from your investment. Again, that number, 800-921-7897, to come in, sit down, and talk with Carlos and the team. And if you call today, you can also leave with a copy of his recent article from Fortune magazine, The 5 Retirement Mistakes. And that's something that'll shed a lot of light on some of the different questions and aspects of retirement. So again, just give a call right now to Carlos Cortez and Cortez Wealth Management, 800-921-7897. Carlos, always a pleasure to see you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Appreciate it.